Hey, what's up you guys? It's Zach with PCBros, and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing and doing a little sound test on this B75 keyboard from Yunzii. So let's first break down the Amazon and the price and see if this is worth buying. So here it is on Amazon, and it is actually on a 50% deal now, which is kind of crazy because we bought it at the 65. So I'm kind of going to review this on what I paid for it for $65.99. So I'm going to see if it's worth it for this price right here. If it is, this is a steal. I can already tell you, if you're getting it for 33 bucks, like that is pretty crazy. I will have the link down below if you want to check it out and see if the deal is still there for you. But this is a 75% layout. It does not have the number pad. I personally do like having keyboards with number pads, so I probably wouldn't use this as my keyboard at home, but for work and stuff, this is still pretty valid in my opinion. It does have the knob, a nice little thing to add, but I think a little bit unnecessary. It is RGB backlit, hot swappable keys, creamy typing, and I believe it comes with some different keycaps too. We'll see in the unboxing. But yeah, we've bought their keyboards before and we've always liked them. So if you can get it for a great price like I'm seeing here, you're probably gonna not want to miss out. So let's get to the unboxing and see a little bit more about what this keyboard's about. All right, now for the unboxing section. Right off the bat, I do like this minimal packaging, and this just slides right out. So let's get this open and see all the accessories it comes with. So on the top, you'll see the usual directions and little booklets that it comes with. So here's a closer look of those for the people that are interested in that. But now let's get to the good stuff. The accessory box in a separate little container right here. And this does come with a bunch of different keycaps, and it comes with the cord. This is just a standard USB-C to USB. Nothing super high quality or fancy, but it gets the job done. And right next to it, we have the keycap remover. So here's a closer look at some of these keys if you wanted to switch out. Now let's get to the keyboard here. The keyboard is nicely wrapped and it's not too heavy. This is a nice sturdy keyboard. Something that I really like about this is how it doesn't feel too budget at all. You get the scroll wheel, you get the little bit heavier of a keyboard here. And on the back here, you have the two options for the keyboard stand. This keyboard's got the looks, it's got a great feel to it. The original price, around $60, is great. If you can get it for that 50% off that is popping up on Amazon right now, you are not going to be upset about this keyboard at all. Let's go to a typing test so you can hear how this sounds, and we can hear those creamy, smooth keyboard switches. Now that we have unboxed it, you got to see what it comes with. Now let's get to the fun part. How does this keyboard actually sound and feel? I'm gonna do a little sound test where I'm not gonna talk at all, and then I'm gonna explain afterwards if I liked it or not, if I think it would be good for gaming too, because we are a gaming centered business, so gotta have that in there. This keyboard is pretty sweet. If you're into 75% keyboards and you don't really care about having that numpad, and you really just want something for gaming, and you want something stylish, and you want something that sounds and feels good, this is a great pickup, especially right now for 33 bucks for half off. You're not really gonna find much better than this. We have a few of these. This is the one that we use in the voiceover room where I'm at right now. It is a little bit more on the louder side, so if you're really not into that, that would be the only major complaint. But if you like that clicky, satisfying, as they call it, creamy typing, this is definitely it. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think is the best budget keyboard out there right now? And if you're interested, again, the link will be down below for this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.